and we will be sharing a screen for the housekeeping guidelines that I would like to read it. All participants must remain on mute. This session is being recorded. Please use your actual name, city, example Ashok Jain, Orlando, and not iPhone, iPad, phone, etc. Post your questions in chat. Questions will be answered at the end of the session. Kindly refrain from unrelated and unnecessary chatting during the sessions. Thank you for your cooperation. We welcome Dr. Dharini Jain. On to you.
Yes. Hi, Hema. Thank you. So I'm honored to be a part of celebration of 26th camp of JVB Orlando. So hi guys. I hope you can all see me. I like to hear your voice. So if you can't say, then give thumbs up. Okay. Yes. Okay. So very good, very good. So I'm Dharini, and today we will do. We would like to do little yoga postures, movement, and breathing. So I would like to take your cooperation. Please cooperate with me. So first we'll start with some breathing. So everybody knows that breathing is very important. This is very important part of yoga. So today we will go to do balloon breathing. So everybody just think that our stomach it's like a balloon. So how we should do? Sit in comfortable posture. In sitting posture only we will do it. Yes. So sit in comfortable posture and shoulder relax. Drop your shoulder. Sit correct. Okay. Your spine should be very relaxed. It should not be stiff. Just relax your body and we'll do little breathing. So for that, just put your right hand on your stomach, on your belly button. It should be over your belly button. Yes. Okay. And you should think that when you inhale, when you are feeling air with your nose, so you should feel your stomach should out. Your stomach muscles is expanding outside. Okay. And when we release our air from our mouth, you should feel your stomach muscles is contracting inside. Okay. So are you ready? Shall we start? Give thumbs up. Yes, very good. So now just put your right hand on your stomach, on above your belly button. Very good. So inhale. If you want, you can close your eyes, or with your open eyes also you can do. No worry. You should be very comfortable. No any effort, no any extra effort. Just simply we are inhaling and we are filling our stomach with air. And our stomach muscles is expanding outside. It's going out. And exhale through your nose with sound. Like this. So automatically your stomach muscles is contracting like balloon. How? Balloon is like when you feel air, the wall of balloon is going outside. And when you contract, when you release air from balloon, then automatically it shrinks. Like that only your stomach muscles should be. Okay? So please do it with me for 10 more times. Okay? So your right hand, both the hand you can keep on your belly button. Inhale and feel the expansion of your stomach muscles. Inhale. And exhale. Release your air. Your stomach muscles is shrinking inside. Very good. Second time, breathe in. Inhale. And exhale. Okay, again, inhale, deep inhale, breathe in, feel there, yes. And exhale through your mouth. You can make some noise when you are exhaling. Please enjoy your breath. Breathe in, inhale. And exhale. Again, repeat it. Breathe in, inhale. Your stomach muscles is expanding, and when you are releasing, your stomach muscles is contracting. Again, for more 5 times, we should do this practice. One, again, inhale and release your air with your mouth. Enjoy. Deep breath. Inhale. Exhale. Open your mouth. Yes, when you are releasing your air, your mouth should open. Make some noise. Again, repeat it. Inhale. Fill air as much as you can. Yes. And exhale. Very good. Hope all are doing with me. 3 more times, guys. Start again. Inhale. Again, deep breath. Breathe in. Last 2 times. Please inhale. Deeply inhale. Feel the air. Release your air with your mouth. Last time, again, deep breath. Deep breath with your nose. Inhale and exhale. Okay? So, this is balloon breathing. I hope you all did with me. So, when you do this exercise, this balloon breathing, you get energy to start your day with very energetically. Okay? So, now this is a time to little warm up. So please stand up. We'll do little warm up exercise for our body. Yes? Please stand. Yes. Okay? So just legs widely apart. Okay? And your hand should be parallel to your shoulder, like star. Your body should be shaped in star. Okay? So how should we do this exercise? Like starfish jump, like jumping jack. As fast as you can, you should do with me. So first, look at me. Normal breathing. No need to control your breath. Just as fast as we can do, like this. 1, 2, 3. Okay? So please start. Let's start. 30 times we should do. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1. Please do 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very good. 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Very good. Relax. Relax for some time. Deep breath. Stand at one spot only. Don't move your body. Only simple inhalation, simple exhalation. Relax your body. Okay? Yes. So, now second turn. Again, we'll do the same variation. But we have to bring our hand up to our thighs. Fully up and fully down. Okay? Start again with me. 30 times. Again, starfish jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Please do. Yes. 1, 2. Very good. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Lift your hands fully up and fully down. Bring it down. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Very good. Relax. Relax. Deep inhale, slow exhale. Relax your body. Very good. I hope all are enjoying. Okay, so feel you got warm up, your body is fully warm. Okay, now we'll do little movements more. Very good. So be like star. Yes, be like star, and we should move our body, our middle body. So just place your both palms on your waist. Okay, legs little apart. Now we have to do like little rolling. Okay, so when in one, just try to push your stomach forward. 1, 2, your sideways. 3, push your back. Then 4, like rolling your waist. Rock and roll. 1, forward. 2, side. 3, back. 4, opposite side. Yes, rotation of your waist. Just do 1, forward. 2, side. 3, back. 4, opposite side. So we have to do in circular motion. So rotation. Okay, 10 times clockwise and count to 10. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Please do. Yes. Yes. Just 1. Push your stomach forward. Then side. Very good. Now 3. Back. And 4. Very good. Very good. Yes. Yes. Just try. Very good. Try. Just again 5 times more. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last time. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Very good. Now anti-rotation. Okay, reverse. Just 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, now do little circular motion. 4, 3, 2, 1. Forward, side, back, and opposite side. Yes. Rotate. Rotate your waist. Very good. Just rotate. Rotate your waist. Yes. Try to rotate your middle body fully. Yes. Very good. Try to do it. Full rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes. Give it for 5 rounds more. Do it. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rotate your middle body. Very good. Just try. Yes. Yes. Very good. Just do. Try. Try. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. Very good, Tashvi. Try it. Yes. For 3 times more. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. Again, last time. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Relax. 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 Now, again, stand on. Just widely apart your legs, and both hands should be in star shape. Your body should like star. So feel that you are a shining star. Yes, you are like a shining star. Very good. Smile on your face, and just we are turning our body. Just right side, try to turn, then left. Okay? Just right turning, then try to slowly, slowly twist your body left side. So do it with me a little faster. Yes, okay, little faster. We have to do 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You are not moving your lower body. Only upper body you are moving. Very good. Try it. Yes. Yes. for minimum 15 times. You should do 1, 2, 3, 4. Little faster also you can do. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again, 10, 9. Very good. You are not moving your hand. You are not just, your hand should be straight only. Your leg should be at one place only. You are not moving your leg. Only you are moving your middle body. Yes. Just try to twist your spine for 10 times more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and relax. Okay? Got it? Comfortable? Relax. So I hope here we are doing only for 10 times, 20 times. So whenever you have time to start your morning routine, you should do minimum 30 times to get energy. Okay? So you feel more energy to start your day. Okay? So now the last one will do, not so, it's not so hard. The simple posture will do to increase our height, to increase the stamina and energy of our body. So we should do Tadasana. Tadasana is like a just palm tree pose. We should feel that our body is like a tree. It is like a palm tree, and we are growing like a tree. Okay? So we all want to grow, right? So in palm tree, just feel you are growing. Okay? So for that, please stand on your feet. Your feet should be together. Okay? Both your hands should be side your thighs. Now inhale, raise your arms up and interlock your palms like this. Just interlock your palm and turn your palm towards ceiling up. Okay, got it? Now this is the position. Now when we inhale, we are stretching our body upward. We should lift our heel and stretch your body. Yes, upward only and look straight. Yes, without moving your eyeball, you are looking at one place and you are stretching your body upward only. And be there for 5 seconds. When you look at one place, you can balance. Yes, very good. For 5 seconds, please breathe with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now slowly, drop your heel and you are dropping your hand. Okay? Is it easy or hard? This is easy, right? So we all can do. Very good, very good. So this is very powerful asana. So we will do, repeat it for 2 times more. Please inhale and start with me. Both hands just beside your thighs. Inhale, lift your hands up, interlock your palm and turn your palm. You are turning your palm towards ceiling. Okay, this is the position. Okay, now inhale and lift your heels up. Lift your heels up and you are stretching your body upwards. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Yes, very good. Try to stretch more. So as much as you can stretch, you can grow more. Very good. Just try it. Look straight. Don't drop your head. Look straight. Don't tilt. You should look at one place. Without moving your eyeball, you are looking at one place and be there for 5 seconds more. Yes, give it a try. 1, very good. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, slowly, drop your heel and drop your arms. Okay? Yes. Can we do it for last one more time? Yes. So, in this, we have to balance our body. So, how you can balance? When you look front and when you are not moving your eyeball, you can balance easily. So, this will help you more. Okay? The last time we do the same pose, palm tree pose. And we should feel that like a tree we are growing. Inhale, Yes, lift your hands up, interlock, turn your palm and lift your heels up, look front, stretch, stretch your body, upward only. Only upward you are stretching your body, very good. You are on your toes, you are, you are standing on your toes and your heels should be on air. Yes, stretch up. Be there for 3 seconds more. 1, 2, and 3. Now slowly, slowly drop your heel and drop your arm. Okay, so this is very powerful asana, palm tree pose. So when you do this palm tree pose, it will help you to increase your height. It will help you to give stamina, new energy. So to start the day, this is very good. And I hope you all should do this asana. Only the 3 basic things I told you. Very basic poses, very basic movements I told you. So please do it. Now, again, with breathing, we will conclude our session. Again, we'll do
Dharini ji,
balloon breathing.
we have
Okay.
5 more minutes remaining, Dharini ji.
Okay. So with breathing, we are concluding Hima.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
10:30 we conclude. So
Yes. Only 5 minutes we have.
yes.
You actually told us 4 exercises.
Sorry?
You actually told us 4 exercises. The one with,
4 exercises. Okay.
the one with the star jumps,
Yes.
the rotation and the repose.
Yes. So we did jumping jacks, star twisting, and stretching, and we did balloon breathing. 4 movements, 4 exercises we did it. So now we are concluding our session with again balloon breathing. Balloon breathing is very important, guys. So when you correct your breath, automatically you can get your energy and stamina. So please sit with me in comfortable pose. No need to panic. Just shoulder relax, body relax. Choose your comfortable pose. Okay? As much as you feel comfortable, just sit, relax, give your both palms on your belly button, over your belly button. Yes, inhale and feel your stomach with air. Very good. And exhale, release your air with mouth. Very good. Enjoy your breath. Last 2 times. Inhale, breathe in. Feel the stomach like balloon is expanding. Your stomach walls is expanding. And release your air. It's sinking. Yeah. Shrink inside. Very good. Now again, inhale. Last time, inhale. And just release your air. So only these 3 very basic breathing will help you a lot. So I hope you start your day with this breathing exercise. You feel more as an energetic and more happy. Okay. So thank you guys. Just do namaste. So both palms just in front of your chest and do namaskara mudra and we'll conclude the session. Say thank you. Okay. Yes. Very good. Very good. Thank you guys. Yes. Okay.
Thank you, Dharini ji. It was a wonderful session. I hope all the kids enjoyed it.
Yes.
If kids have any question, we can take for a minute or so, and then we will conclude the session for joining the next one.
Yes. If you have any question, please ask. Yeah. Thank you. Yes.
Where did you learn all of this from?
She's saying,
Sorry?
where did you learn it from?
Okay. I learned, basically I'm from India. So there are so many places I visited like Goa, Mysore. Whenever I have any camp, whenever I get some space or I get any camp regarding yoga, I go to there and I learn new things. Daily we are doing like this, I indulge in this type of activity. So this is very good, guys. I hope you should indulge in your daily routine, like this type of thing. Yeah.
Anybody, any question for Dharini ji? We will be ending the session in 2 minutes. For the next session, please continue
Yeah, I
staying there.
think
11 o'clock.
Anisha is raising her hand. Anisha.
Go ahead,
raise
Anisha.
hand.
What place were you born?
What is your question, Anisha?
What place were you born?
What something?
Yeah.
I think the question is, where were you born?
Okay. Oh, well, I at India only. In Odisha, I born. I'm from Odisha in India. A state is Odisha in India. There I born. Yeah.
Lisa?
Odisha. Odisha.
Odisha. Odisha is the state name.
Balasar.
Balasar.
Okay, you are from Balasore.
Yes.
Wow.
Where are you from?
Sorry. Hello.
Where are you from in Odisha?
I'm from India. I'm from Bolangir district. In Odisha, I'm staying at Odisha in Bolangir district, Titlagarh.
हाँ हम लोग
My
वहीं
native is at Titlagarh.
हाँ पता है टिटलागढ़ ना वहाँ से बहुत सारे
Yes.
लोग
All
हैं।
right, everybody, we have to conclude
Yeah.
the session. I hope you enjoyed and please stay tuned for the next session. Thank you, Dharini ji.
Thank you, Himaji. Thank you. Yeah.